Now folks, what you see in front of you here today is something that us experts like to call habanero pepper. Now what we expert in exactly is eating these bad boys, and they're the second hottest peppers in the world. Yes, and it says right on here it's 100 times hotter than a jalapeno pepper, and to use sparingly in what is that, salsas and chilies. Okay, so me, Fraser Dean, and turn around camera, Corey Burrow, are going to be experiencing these hot peppers run through our system, and it's not going to be good. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, you want the first one?
Yeah, you know what? I'll take this. I'll take this monster.
Oh, he's got the big one, all right.
Look at this. This is the biggest one in the jar.
I mean, just sniff this. It's real hot. It'll burn your nostrils. Oh, baby. Oh, whew.
Here we go.
All right, 1, 2, and trace. It's burning already. It's hard to breathe. It's really hard to breathe.
I got one.
I'm having difficulties breathing right now.
My eyes are... I'm crying. Oh my god. This is the worst one.
Oh shit, this is hot.
This is the worst one. Holy shit.
I'm sweating right now. Breathe. You want some milk?
Yeah.
Alright, shut there now.
Oh my fuck. Oh my god.
My tongue.
It does nothing.
The fact for a split second it does, and it's right back. And kids, try this at home. That is hot as crap. Get these at your local grocery stores. It goes right back to burning a second later.
This is the worst burn ever.
Can you just stay here for a second? Oh, it's starting burning again. It's horrible. My tongue is killing me right now.
More milk. Make sure you have a gallon of milk.
Yeah, make sure you have milk with you when you do this. For sure.
So damn hot.
It's on my lips now. My lips are burning.
It's on my... It's everywhere. Do not touch your balls.
I have not experienced that pain. Don't want to.
Me neither. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I wonder how a beer would be with this.
I'm dying right now. I seriously... I grew up on Mexican foods. This is not good.
It is the hottest crap ever. Oh my god, you are dying. You are horrible.
That was a
Your
bad
whole face is red.
That one was bad. Those other two I ate, nothing compared to this one.
This milk's holding me over right now, as I'd be doing pretty
nothing
bad.
for me. Nothing. Oh my god. Look at my face. Not fun.
Look at my face.